Good evening, sir. This is Muskan Khan, and I'm doing project with Diksha Verma. And our project name is Online Quiz. A quiz is a great way to test your knowledge. So here we are, and this is the source code of our online quiz project. It is of 123 line code, and me and Diksha will demonstrate one by one, and which is well implemented with the help of files and also STL standard template library using vector in C++ programming language. This is a 10 question quiz based on Bollywood, sports and day-to-day general questions. The question along with the option are stored in one text file and the correct answer are stored in another text file. So we have created two text files. Now I'll show you the text files also. This is the first text file in which we have stored the quiz questions and along with the options, and this is the second text file in which we have stored the correct answers. So the user is prompt to answer each question. If the answer is correct, then he will awarded with 2 marks and there will be no negative marking, and the total score will be displayed with the help of display function. So here we have used vector in STL and we have created class quiz, and in public and private access specifier we have created three variable right, wrong and score as to calculate the total score finally. And we have used vector as to store the contestant's name one by one, and we have also used pushback function to add new contestant name at the end of the vector. And in public part we have created three functions: init function, define function and display function. And now I will run this code on Dev C++ compiler, and let's play the quiz. So our code is compiled successfully and we are with the message select your choice. So I'm choosing one which is for start quiz. So enter your name. I'm entering my name, Muskan. And here the first question. Name the Bollywood celebrity honor with Padma Shri who recently died. So it's Irfan Khan, that is option A. So I'm typing option A. Second is who will introducing learning playlist for educational videos. So option A is Facebook, B is YouTube, C is Skype and D is Twitter. So I think it's YouTube. So I'm typing B. Third question is who is captain of Bangladesh cricket team. So I don't know, I'm just typing answer A, that is Ashraful. Fourth question is what is our national game. So it's very basic question, so answer is C, that is hockey. Fifth question is which of the following app bring fingerprints authentication for the users. So nowadays we are using with WhatsApp, so answer is D. Sixth question is who is the Prime Minister of India. So it's basic question, that is answer C, Narendra Modi. Seventh question is who is the captain of women Indian cricket team. Answer is A, Mithali Raj. Eighth question is name of the virus that hit 1.5 crore Android devices across the country world recently. So answer would be should be, that is Agent Smith. Here with the next question, that is question 9. Where will be the next World Cup cricket? So it would be in India in 2013. So I am typing answer A. 10th question is name the company which has launched the Neighborly app in the Delhi and Bangalore. So answer is C, that is Oracle. So this was the last question in text file, and here with the message select your choice. So I just want to see my results, like how many questions are right. So I'm just typing option choice. I'm selecting choice number 2, that is for display quiz. And here we are. This is the scoreboard of our quiz, and the username is Muskan, that as I typed earlier. Total score is 16. Total attempt question is 10. Wrong question is 2 and right question is 8. as each right question carries 2 marks, and uh, I have scored 16 marks, so it calculation was done perfectly. And here with the message, select your choice. So I want to, so I can play it again for the next contestant. So I'm typing option number 2, that is to, sorry, for 1 to start quiz, and I'm typing the name Diksha. And here the question again arises, and I'm giving answer fastly as to not increase the video length. So 10th question answer I'm giving A. So again with the message start quiz, display quiz, and exit the quiz. So this is the well implementation of our code, and I'm now choosing the exit, that is choice number 3, and this is what. So we have well implemented. Now the function will be discussed by Diksha. Thank you so much.
Now, I am Diksha Verma. I will explain the working and implementation further as it is. CPP project, our main objective is to well implement STL, also file handling. So for that line from 1 to 6, we have used CPP header file like that. And the next, fstream is a standard library function of file handling. And also fstream vector has include vector is also a standard library of STL. And the next, we create a class that's name is quiz. In private section, in class we have 2 section, public and private. In private section we use some data here. For score we used right for count right questions, and wrong as well as wrong for count wrong question. It is counted and score it is counted total score. And in public section, and also we use in private section string for username, and also we use vector. In public section we are using some function that are initially defined and display. Then next we talk about functions. First function is quiz initialization. Here function initialization in which pushback has used which and username. Now I am Diksha Verma. I will explain the working and implementation further as it is. CPP project, our main objective is to well implemented STL, also file handling. So for that line 1 to 6 we have used CPP header file. An fstream is a standard library that is used to create files, write information and read information from files. And vector, it is also a standard library in STL. Now we create a class that's name is quiz. In private section, in class private section, in private section we use some data here. For score we used right for the count right questions as well as wrong for count wrong questions, and score it's count for total score. And also we use string name for username, and also we use this vector for store the username. And also we use one is a character for answer and string s. In public section we are using some function that are initialization, define and display. Now we talk about the function. The first function is a initialization. In initialization function, in which pushback used user in which pushback is used here. Pushback is used username, and pushback function is used to push either to add username into a vector from data. And as a vector definition, vector are sum as dynamically array with the ability to resize itself automatically when an element is inserted or deleted. So here we have stored the username, either participation name in a vector, And our next function is a define function. In define function, we use two text files. We use open file quiz.txt in which question has been written, and also open file answer.txt where answer has been written. And in our define function, the next 44 line, we use not skip white space. It is a C++ manipulator which is used to clear the skip white space format flag for the string. And in our next line, in our logic, the logic, if the option is correct, then 2 marks will be added in the score and right question will be count. And if wrong, then wrong answer will be also counted. And then we close our both of the file. And then we go to our last function is display function. Here we display username, total score, total attempt questions, total wrong questions, and total right questions. Now we go to our main function. Here we use a manage-driven for users. First we select your choice for quiz start, second for quiz score, and third for exit the quiz. And we call the function in here. Now we run our code and display our output. Now here, select your choice first for start quiz, second for start quiz, display quiz score, and third for exit quiz. Now we we press first, then enter your name, then my option is first, then my second, then I will select the option. Then now again we select for start quiz, for display quiz score, for exit the quiz. Now I display my score. Then I got 6 marks, a total attempt 10, wrong question 7, right question 3. Because each right question we got 2 marks, then I will get 6 marks. And then now select 3 for exit the quiz, enter, then I will go. Thank you.